Hey everybody, Simple Investor here. Today I'm going to be talking about my strategy going 2018. I pretty much want to work more this year working on passive income. Last year I done really good while doing active income through Forex, and now I'm going to be working my way to passively making money. I want my money to work for me. So this year I started the year off by acquiring real estate properties, multiple. If you have any questions about that, I'd love to explain my experience, everything about the whole process. It was quite an interesting process, but nonetheless it's so far paying it off. And also I want to switch my stock portfolio into something more passive. So I'll be investing this year in more this year in index funds. So pretty much anything with Vanguard, anything pretty much that pays a dividend. I'm not going to pick any stock that does not pay dividend. If it does not pay dividend, I do not want it. I'm getting this from Kevin O'Leary. He pretty much says live off the principle. Live off the interest and do not touch the principles. I'm going to work on that philosophy this year, just something I want to try, and then if I don't like it this year, I'll just switch to something else. But I really want to try that and see how much passive income I can really generate. And at the same time, I'm going to keep Forex as my active source of income since it's such a high volatile market and there's a lot of money to be made there, and I don't really trust that to do long-term swing trading in that market. Just me. But I want to accumulate as many passive sources of income and very few active sources of income, such as anything that takes my time to make money. I want my money to make money. So that being said, that's my YouTube video number 2. Trying to do something else, trying to get more consistent with this. But if you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment section. Like, subscribe, all that good jazz. Check your boy out in the info section. So if you want to be traded with me, you can use Robinhood. I'm gonna put a link down there. You get a free stock. I mean, come on, why not? It's free money. Also, I'm gonna be punching in a lot of other stuff in the description box below. So with that being said, talk to y'all later.